Wondering where the fuse box is located in your 2025 Honda CR-V and how to interpret its diagram? In this guide, we'll answer your questions, providing detailed insights into the fuse box layout and its essential functions. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2025 Honda CR-V safeguards critical systems like the engine, ABS, and headlights. It is designed to protect high-power circuits and ensure optimal performance. Its organized layout allows for easy identification and fuse replacement. Interior main fuse box. The interior main fuse box in the 2025 Honda CR-V manages key electrical systems like climate control, dashboard functions, and safety features. It provides centralized protection, ensuring reliable performance and easy access for maintenance or fuse replacement. Interior sub-fuse box. The interior sub-fuse box in the 2025 Honda CR-V houses fuses for interior electronic components like lights, infotainment, and power outlets. Its compact design ensures easy access and efficient organization for troubleshooting electrical issues.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.